earn $100.69 over and over. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $100.69 and even more over and over. This is worldwide, totally free to get started with, super easy copy and paste method, and we're talking about PayPal money here. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you how you can make $100.69 or even more over and over here with a simple copy and paste method, and we're talking about PayPal money here, of course. Now this is an improved version of a video I did in the past on how you can make money automatically. I got a request, actually an email, on how to expand on this, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. Now what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here, because if you skip on anything you might miss out on any important information here and it won't work for you. So with that being said, before actually also we dive into this, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation at the end of this video, of course. You find it right here below, but we save that for the end of the video. For now, let's get started here. We have a lot of things to cover, so without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so basically first off we are going to the site here, and that is Adfly. It is addf.ly. Now before you jump into any conclusions here, this is a link, you shrink a link here, you earn money every time someone clicks, but bear with me because I'm gonna share with you the traffic that interests us, okay? We can do this super easy, so follow along here. So first off, let's have a look a little bit about the details about Adfly, okay? You get paid to share your links on the internet, and that is exactly what we're going to do. So you get paid for every person who visits your URL. You can place your links on Facebook, Twitter and more, as I say here, but I'm gonna share with you my strategy here today, which is much better also. So this is a safe advertising. Advertising pays for real visitors. There is a version actually that you can pay for traffic here, but that is not what we are interested in. Now, low minimum payout, you're required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. So this is nice. You get paid via PayPal, or if you prefer via Payoneer. We have statistics and everything inside here, but first let's have a look at the payout rate. So if I go here at the payout rates, you can see here the average CPM, cost per mil, for 24th January 2020. You look at this, we are going to focus of course on United States, and the highest one is $100.69. But this is not it, my friends, because I'm gonna share with you how you can earn much more with this. But if you focus on desktop traffic only, it's going to be 19 and 32, and for unique mobile traffic it is $10.40, which is still very good. Now you can see here of different countries, so it totally depends on where the traffic is coming from. We're going to focus on worldwide traffic, so it's going to be a mixed combination of this, more or less, actually. So by just showing you here a little bit inside the members area, you can see here, I'm going to leave my link below here, so if you want just to show an appreciation, I don't care actually if you sign up or not, I'm not going to get rich with this, okay? But you can focus on referring people only, okay? Because you can earn 20% earnings for life. So if you're interested, focus on these two, which means that you can make even more money. But I think you should get started with the method that I'm going to share with you here right now. So basically we're going to YouTube here first, and I came up with the idea here earlier, but just typing funny cats, okay? This is something that people are searching for. We can obviously see it here, and what you need to do is go to the filter section. Now you can see that I have sorted it by this month, so it means that videos that are uploaded this month, okay, we have videos, we have Creative Commons, and we have view count. So pay attention here, this is important because it sorts it, of course, with the most popular videos. Now, Creative Commons, okay, let me explain a little bit for those of you that don't know this. This means that you are allowed to download this video, and that is exactly what we are going to do actually. So if I go down a little bit here, look at the first video, for example. 1.1 million views for 4 weeks only. This is amazing, okay? So what you need to do is look at the next one, 70,000 views. I mean, this is huge amount of traffic, okay? Now you can of course expand on this later on. I'm just going broad here now, but you can see here people that are searching for funny cat fails, for example. We can sort it by here also, but it doesn't matter right now, okay? We can have a look at it in another video. Let's focus on the main parts here today. So we open up this video, okay? So okay, there is some music inside here, and now what you need to do is download the video, alright? So go to Google, type download YouTube video, because these sites disappear and appear from time to time. You can see here ytomato.com is available right now. Save from net is another one that I have shared in the past and I work with a lot when I like to download videos. You just paste your link in here and you download it. Now, if you happen to be able to edit the video, I don't know what editor you're using, there is tons of editors. I do recommend you actually to do a remake of this video. So how do you do a remake? You download the video, you take a little bit, let's say for example you skip the beginning, or you take this part here from 3 minutes up to 3:20 and you put it first instead of what it is right now, okay? So do a little bit of a remake. Now if you can of course put in some royalty-free music, do that, because I think it will look more unique actually, so people will pay more attention to it. The next thing that we need to do is use these tags here, because these are the keywords that people are searching for, and of course the title. The title, we need to do it more or less similar, but actually more catchy, I would say. Of course we need to focus also on a thumbnail later on. You can do this for free. Canva.com is a free editor. You can get started to do that. So this is another super easy thing also to keep in mind. Okay, so thumbnail, of course the title needs to be catchy, but by just typing funny cats here you can see what converts, okay? Look at this, cute baby cats, for example, cute baby cats, video compilation, cute pets and funny animals. So you can do, for example, funny animals and cute pets, top compilation January 2020 or something like that, okay? I don't know, I'm just being a little bit creative right now here, so I haven't anything planned for it. But there is tons of ways, and you can actually download neither vidIQ or TubeBuddy. They do work with pretty much the similar way, okay? They help you to find keywords and tags that you can use, and what you're going to do is actually you're just going to copy here, okay? So you copy to clipboard and you're going to use those exactly the same, and of course you're going to insert more recommendations. So if I just go, let's see. Alright, it doesn't show up here for some reason, I don't know, but let's go here, for example, there we have it. Okay, so this is TubeBuddy, the search explorer. Now, actually click here for weighted. If I go here, it shouldn't be weighted because my channel isn't related, of course, with cats here. It is with Make Money Online, but let's go for unweighted, for example. Okay. Just start here to search. You see here all these recommendations is actually you just insert them if they aren't already, okay? And you can see you're going to get tons of recommendations here also. Use this. You're allowed with 500 characters in your tag section to upload these videos, and you're going to upload them, all right? Now, it might take you a little while here, so what you can do is I'm going to explain to you actually 2 more ways on how you can drive traffic here, because I haven't shared actually what are we going to insert in our link here, the link shrinkener. So first off, you can of course do affiliates. Okay, you can be an affiliate marketer. So if I just go into Google and type top affiliate cat offers, I can find tons of it. Just do your research here, see what's available for you in your country. I would go, for example, to ClickBank. You can see here I typed cats. Here we have cat language Bible, how to finally speak cat. 16 and 44 is the commissions here, but you can definitely earn much more with the other concepts here. And of course people will probably buy this product also. So that is what I meant in the beginning, that you can earn even more money. So what you need to do here, when you upload the video, you will need of course to have in the description at the top, just like I have, for example, my number 1 recommendation. What you're going to do, my number 1 recommendation for cat language, how to talk to your cat, click here, okay? And you're going to use Adfly. So what happens is you earn money from Adfly, but you earn also when someone purchases through that link. Another way that you can do this is also you can work with Instagram. Okay, so we have Instagram here, and you can see here that cats of Instagram, look at this, they have 10.9 million followers. You can easily set up a page here on Instagram, different cat pictures, and what you can do is you can send traffic from Instagram with your Adfly link to YouTube or vice versa. Okay, so you can see here I just did some ugly drawing here earlier, and what you can do is you can drive traffic from YouTube to Instagram. Here is also Pinterest. I came up with the idea. Of course you can use Facebook also, but I think that these 2 alone, or probably only the YouTube alone, would be good enough. But this is a great way to share link, vice versa. Okay, so what you can say here is check out my Instagram funny pics, cat pics, okay, cat pictures. So you send traffic from YouTube to Instagram, and you can do the same here from Instagram. Check out my YouTube channel with funny cat videos. Boom, you go back here, okay? So of course every time someone clicks, you will earn money from it. So that is why the potential are really unlimited here, okay? It's really unlimited. If you take up on Pinterest also and focus on that with funny pictures on Pinterest, you send traffic here, okay? People click here and you earn money. The same goes here. People click to YouTube, you will earn money. So I hope you realize how easy it is to get started with this. It requires of course a little bit work, but it's definitely going to be worth it in the long run, because you set it up and you let it run there for itself after that. And of course you need to update the videos and the pictures there. So totally free, worldwide, as I said, no limits, really don't limit yourself. You saw earlier here, for example, if you say that ClickBank isn't available in your country, really nice, go ahead, check out Funny Cats affiliate program. I'm definitely sure that you're going to find something that fits your country there also. So there you have it, more or less. I don't think I have forgot anything about the strategy now on how you can get started to earn $100, 69 cents, or actually a lot more, as you could see in the video here. Now, if you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure to check out my number 1 recommendation right here below this video on how to make a full-time passive income online. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you're going to find another video recommendation here right now.